Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question from the topic of functions. I strongly suggest you to pause the videos and try to give it a solve it on your own. After that you can just check for the solution. Sorry about that. In the background I have my son, so he's here with us. So let's solve this question together. If the function k is defined by k of 3x equals 4x minus 3 for all values of x, what is the value of k of 9? A is 1, B is 5, C is 9, and D is given as 12. So now we're given 3x is equals to 4x minus 3. And they want you to find the value of k9. So if you can just pay attention, you would see that in parentheses in 3x, instead of 3x, they put 9. So we're supposed to find the value of x by making them equal. And we will just divide both sides by 3. Then x will be equals to 3. So we will substitute this value for the 3, for the x. So this becomes 3 times 3, 4 times 3 minus 3, and k9 is 4 times 3 is 12 minus 3, then k9 will be equals to 9. So our final answer for this specific question is choice C. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, please leave it below there. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.